just broke my nail and I'm over it. Like, and I just got my nails done. That's the crazy part. My hands are always dry, but what's new? So today we have another wig, and she is from DYHAIR. Wait, I was supposed to spell the whole thing. DYHAIR777. I like their little baggie that it came in. Isn't that cute? It reminds me of like Valentine's Day. I'm actually gonna keep this. I might like use this for like a little purse. Okay. No, I actually do like that though. Okay, so in the bag came this card that a lot of companies like to throw in there just to tip. Oh, it has their like information and stuff on it, and like their socials, and a coupon code. It'll be down below. We need that. We trying to save all the money we can get. I mean, we can't. So yeah, and it gives you hair care instructions on the back. Also some lashes. I love when companies do this too, because my hands are ashy as hell too. Does that help? Like every video, it's like, did you not learn your lesson the first 5 times? The first 30 times actually, because what? Anyways, these are lashes. Love those. Thanks, boo. You can never have too many. And now on to the actual wig. So we got a 20 inch, yeah. That's what we're doing, 20 inches, yeah. Bag. Oh, this feels thick. This feels real thick. Oh, this feels thick. Yeah, okay. Slim thick with your... The specs and everything, links to the product. I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. Will be down below, always. You know, that's nothing new at all. So inside the, oh, there's a decent amount of lace in the middle. On the side, there's probably about an inch. So you could do a tiny little thing, but you can do something. It's definitely better than some wigs I've seen. Some wigs I'm like, this is a closure wig. Like, y'all calling it a lace front, and it's literally like baby hairs just on the side. Like, this is a closure wig. That's, you know. So we got a comb in the bag. We got an adjustable strap, because we love that. And we're gonna slide her on real quick. This gotta be like 200% density, maybe. Cause this is thick. I'll adjust her real quick. I look cute with like dark hair, don't I? Dark straight hair at that. 20 inches, these are, I almost failed. These are grown woman inches, you know. Not saying you're not a grown woman if you wear like 26 or, you know, 30, 40s, because I do that. I'm just saying, like, I feel like on me, the shorter, this is not even short, honestly, but like the not so long, this is still long, what am I talking about? Anyways, disregard. I just feel like I look more sophisticated. You know, drinking my coffee in Starbucks, literally doing nothing. Ew, I just blew bubbles in my drink. That's nasty. Yeah, I'm really just analyzing the hairline at this point. This hair is really thick. This gotta be... I wish I had the details right in front of me. It's gonna be down below, but... Actually, I'll insert it on the screen. Because this is really thick. I mean, it's not too thick, but it's definitely thicker than a lot of wigs that I've had in the past. And we live for that, because over time, naturally, wigs, hair, anything begins to shed. So you don't want it to start off like super thin, like 130% density. I mean, if you want to, but like me personally, I don't want to. Start off with something that like thin, or that like not full. And over time, it just gets thinner, because I feel like you just get more for your money. Even though like, ouch, it's not in my kitchen. So here I'm just showing you how I, you know, bleached the patch. It was super easy. Just mixed the developer, slapped it on. I mean, mixed the powder bleach and the developer, slapped it on there. Literally left it on for like maybe 10 minutes because I used 40 volume developer. It didn't take long at all. Hair lifted like a charm. So I appreciate that. So now I'm going to take my handy dandy wand, the one that I use a lot, and just throw some curls in, sis. You know, curls for the girls. Duh. We're not going to keep her straight. We got to switch her up. You know, that's why we did the little patch. Love that. So, yes, sis, this hair does hold a curl. She can curl. Even though she's straight, she does hold a curl pretty good. So, you don't even have to worry about it, okay? Right here, I cut the lace, and the look is starting to come all together. I love the size of the patch that I did. I'm glad it's not too big and it's not too small. I'm gonna lay this with my curling iron. I mean, my curling wand. Y'all know what I do. I like to lay that and make it flat with the curling wand. And then we done. So what's good, sissy? So this is the final product. I think she came out great. I didn't even have to cut layers in her. That's why I really like where'd she go? That little wand thing that I had. That's why I really like that one, because the way the curls come out, it's like it falls just right. It looked like I got layers in her, but I don't. It's just, you know, sitting pretty. This is cute. I stamped on sis, and really didn't take me long to do. So if you want to pick up this wig, you know I got you. It's in the description box below. I'm stuttering. But yeah, as you can see, it lifted pretty quick and it lifted great. So it is 100% human hair, because you know how companies be trying to finesse and say it's 100% human hair and it don't be. But you can tell she didn't melt. She colored perfect. She actually was coloring pretty quick. So I'm like, what we gonna do? Wait. This is cute though. You're not really too, what? Just forget it, I guess. I don't remember what I was trying to say. But yeah, this is her. Let me know how y'all like her. And I got that curling wand from, actually, I don't know. That's my mom's. But I know she got it on, actually, she got it from Meyer. On sale at Meyer. Period. Okay, sissy, I'll see you on my next one. Make sure to go follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I got a Facebook too, but I don't get on there. So, I mean, you can follow me on that too if you want. But, at Kiamani KHE, where you about to go? Why are you taking the charger? You see that I'm using it.